Hi, this is Eric with Seidenstricker Novi Partners. Today we're going to go over display setup in a Gen 4 4600 command center for spraying. The first thing we're going to do is take a look at our spray ticket given to us at the location. Here we'll find the client and the farm, but for the field, instead of putting the field name, we'll be putting the date stamp with what crop we're going into as well as what product we're putting on. So if we look at this ticket in front of us, if we have, if it's going to be sprayed on March 10th, 2020, we want to do 3-10-2020. Crop would be wheat. And in this case, for instance, let's say we're going to say the product is 28% UAN. If we keep this consistency in the office, everybody can go back and find it year after year after year. So now let's move over into the screens. The first thing we're going to do when we get to our Gen 4 command center is we're going to go to setup in the bottom left. In the location in the upper left, we're going to go ahead and select our client, our farm, which is the home farm, and our field. Here I typed in that time and date, that crop, and the product as our field name. When we're done with that, we'll hit OK. When we get done with that, we can go ahead and put in some details as far as the conditions. It'll prompt it normally automatically. Here I went ahead and put in the temperature, wind speed, wind direction, sky condition, and humidity, as well as some field conditions. Pretty soon this will be shared directly on the map that is offered by the co-op to customers. But the most important thing we have to do is make sure we put in at least a single product. So if everybody can put in at least a single product and then the product name, if we're putting on UAN, we need to go ahead and select that we're putting on a fertilizer and putting, UAN 28 on. And then we hit OK when you're done. If you're going to be doing a burn down, put burn down. If you're going to be doing a pre-beans mixture, put pre-beans or post-beans. But make sure that at least that whatever product you're actually putting on is correct. This is probably the most important when it comes to anhydrous. So at least put NH3 as that single product. Well, with that concludes our mapping training for today. If you guys have more questions, please get with one of your location managers or your salesman for further clarification. Thank you. Have a good day.